In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Wix website for free 2025 updated way. By the end, you'll have a live website on a free Wix domain using the latest Wix Studio flow. Start by heading to the Wix Studio dashboard and opening the Sites area. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your list of sites. From there, select Create New Site. This sets up a fresh project and takes you into Wix's guided creation process. Next, choose the Studio Template option. This opens the full template library designed for Wix Studio, which gives you modern layouts and flexible sections. Browse briefly and select a template that matches your style or industry. If you're not sure, pick a clean, simple layout. You can change colors, text, and images later. When you've found the one you want, click Edit to open it in the Studio Editor. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll see prompts and highlighted buttons guiding you through the initial setup. Follow those on-screen highlights to confirm the template, load the sections, and get your workspace ready. If the editor asks you to accept defaults or continue, just click the highlighted options to move forward. You don't have to perfect your design right now. Publishing for free only requires a ready template and the basic save and publish actions. Small edits like swapping a headline or logo can be done quickly if you'd like, but they're optional at this stage. As you click through the highlighted items, keep an eye on the top bar and the main canvas. Wix may highlight key areas such as layout, pages, or mobile view. Accept the suggestions or continue as shown so everything is prepared for publishing. Remember, you can refine fonts, images, and sections after your site is live. Publishing doesn't lock anything in. When you're ready, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This is your signal to make the site visible on the web. In the Publish dialog, choose Save and Continue. This saves your draft and assigns a free Wix URL, which typically looks like a Wix subdomain. Using this option keeps everything free. Connecting a custom domain is available later with a paid plan if you need it. Finally, click Done to finish.